Take this and you will sleep almost instantly and wake up refreshed. Amazing! Sugar and salt may seem like an unusual combination, but if you suffer from insomnia you will see that this idea is not bad at all. We are all aware of the fact that consumption of salt and sugar in large quantities is bad for overall health. But when it comes to their moderate consumption, great results can be achieved. The benefits of this blend are as follows: strengthening of the immune system, the treatment of headache, overcome insomnia, get more energy, increase levels of serotonin and electrolytes. It has anti-stress properties. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of unrefined sea salt. 2 5 teaspoons of brown sugar. Preparation method: the ratio of salt to sugar should be 1:5. Mix the two ingredients and put them in a pre-sterilized glass jar. Use: before going to bed or during the night, take a small amount of the mixture and place it under the tongue. Allow the mixture to dissolve slowly. Salt sodium allows proper breathing of cells and produces energy. Sugar, in turn, acts as a bacteria to cells because glucose is a reliable energy supplement for mitochondria. In addition, both ingredients are powerful tools in the fight against stress, which damages your metabolism. In case you suffer from insomnia, you stay awake at night and you just cannot close your eyes and fall asleep, this combination made of salt and sugar is ideal for you. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.